Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we will be reviewing and testing out the new Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. I'm excited. I've been seeing all of the campaign videos for this. I've been seeing so many people on Instagram say that this is really good, so I'm really excited to try this out. I am always down to try a new mascara. I don't know why. It's actually one of my least favorite things to do on my face. That's just because I feel like there's no mascara lately that just has wowed me to the moon and back. So I'm excited to see if this is any good. I always get excited for new mascara, but they are always a letdown. But before we get started, I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. It says what it is: a do-it-all mascara that is designed to expose every lash, featuring an exclusive flat to fat brush that instantly volumizes, lifts, and lengthens and curls. Alright, so we're gonna unbox it first, and this is what the unit carton looks like. And this is in the shade Cause I'm Black. Ooh, very pretty. Fenty never disappoints when it comes to packaging. So that's the flat side, and that's the fat side, and this actually feels like it's been sprayed on. So I'm gonna keep my how to use instructions out here so that I don't mess this up. Okay, so I'm actually gonna clean up the tip. It says wiggling with the fat side, wiggling at the base. Just like that. I actually feel like it's not fully loaded. Use flat side to comb through, define, curl, and separate. Okay, so it is curling, but I don't think it's separating all that well. Now let's do the other eye the exact same way. I do feel like it's coating every lash with this fat side. It's just the shape is very interesting, and I'm sure I'm making so many sexy faces right now. Okay, and now I'm gonna comb through with the flat side. Maybe you have to work faster. It doesn't say wiggle, but that is my normal instinct, is to wiggle with the flat side. And it is transferring to my eyelids. I think it's because I have hooded eyes, and that's why I don't like to wiggle at the root. But that's what it says. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, where's the flat side? It is a little bit hard to get used to. Now let's test where it says that I can layer as much as I want. So I'm gonna go in here with the fat side again and layer another layer. Okay. 2 layers might be the way to go. And I am giving you my first impression thoughts. Like anything that's coming to mind, I am saying them out loud. That made a difference. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the flat side and separate, comb and separate. Whoa, okay. I'm making a mess on my eyelid, but this, you guys, it's working. Do you see that? Do you see that lift, separating and curling that's going on here? Definitely 2 layers is the way to go. I've never been this impressed by a mascara before, ever. I've always been very highly disappointed. Wow, that's cool. Second layer on my other eye. Is it doing a super duper duper great job at separating them? No. But do they look extremely clumpy for 2 layers of mascara? Absolutely not. The only thing, like I said, is I hate doing a wiggling motion at the root of my eye, because I do get messy, and like I see people do it and they don't get messy, and I'm just like, how do you do that? Like I don't understand. So yeah, my eyelids look like that. Just ignore them. Really intensely black. It did curl them without a lash curler. It gave me lots of volume. it's just not separating them the way that I would want them to. But for 2 layers, it looks great. Did I mention how much this mascara was? It retails for $24. So now I want to go in with my lash curler and see if I can curl them anymore. That's another thing that I typically do with my mascara. Once the mascara is fully dry, and it dried pretty fast. That looks nice. For me to be excited and have this reaction about a mascara, this is kind of crazy for me because it takes a lot for a mascara to kind of impress me, even just a little bit. I also feel like as I get comfortable with how to work the wand, it'll just get better and better. The formula is not too wet, it's not too dry. It does say online that it's waterproof. I wish it would say that somewhere on the packaging because I don't typically like waterproof mascara. I feel like it's too harsh to remove at nighttime. It ruins your lashes. You're tugging on your eyes too much. But hopefully it's not that hard to remove. If I have any updates on this, then I will add them in the description box of this video. Pretty sure I'm going to talk about it in future videos as well. But that is it for this really short first impressions / review of the Full Frontal Mascara by Fenty Beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope it was helpful to you. And if it was, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. I mean, look at those lashes.